how to fix stories not posting on Snapchat public profile. Don't worry. Here are some simple fixes you can try on your iPhone. First, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. Next, update Snapchat. Open the App Store, search for Snapchat, and if you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Now, check your public profile settings. Open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Public profile and open it. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner and make sure your public profile is active and allowed to share stories. Next, check your story privacy settings. Go back to your profile page and tap the settings icon. Scroll down to privacy controls. Tap View My Story. If the Everyone option is available and you want your story to be public, select Everyone. Now, try clearing Snapchat's cache. Tap on Clear Data and tap Clear Cache. Tap Continue or Clear to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your memories, chats, or saved snaps. If the problem continues, delete the story and create it again. Then try posting it once more. If your story still won't post, it could be due to a temporary Snapchat server issue. In that case, wait a while and try again later. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix Snapchat public stories that aren't posting. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.